Hey guys, it's Talent.
And this is Ty, and we're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're managing money, marriage, and everything in between. Guys, we're so excited.
Yeah.
We are on the set of EBA 4.0. You guys have heard us tell you how we were able to take our blog from just making $6,000 within our first year to now over 6 figures in just 4 years. You guys, this is the course that is going to help you do just that. Take your passion, take your ministry, take your message, and turn it into a business.
If you have a sincere desire to get started with blogging or to take your current blog to the next level, then check this out.
Do you ever feel like you are spinning your wheels as a blogger or online business owner? It can be pretty frustrating to feel like you are working so hard, just trying to figure it all out, and yet never really getting the results that you want. Or maybe you haven't even started your blog yet, but you'd like to, and yet you feel so intimidated by everything you need to learn. Why does it have to be so hard? My name is Ruth Soukup, and I am the founder of Elite Blog Academy, as well as the host of the Do It Scared podcast and a New York Times bestselling author. I am also a blogger at livingwellspendingless.com, one of the most popular lifestyle blogs on the net. I started Elite Blog Academy because when I first started blogging, I felt that exact same way, overwhelmed by all that needed to be done and struggling to gain traction. And I swore that if I could ever figure out the formula for success, I would share it with as many people as I could. These days, my business earns well over 7 figures, and my platform reaches more than 1 million people every month. But I'm not working harder than I was before. I'm working a whole lot smarter, and you can too. I'd like to invite you to join me for my exclusive free training called Blogging Made Simple. In it, I'll share some easy to implement, super practical tips for creating content that gets noticed and shared, and for following a simple but comprehensive framework for success that gets real results. So whether you've been blogging for years, or you have an online business that you'd like to promote, or whether you are just thinking about getting started, this free training will change the way that you approach your blog and make things a whole lot easier. The training will be sent straight to your inbox. So to get started, simply sign up today. I promise you won't regret it.